Alaikum, hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish and they're looking good activities. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. Oh, it's go from my hand. Looking good, playing well. Excellent, excellent. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. They're playing well. They're playing well. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful scenery. Creative. Oh, wow. Oh. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful scenery. Playing well. How sweet play, sweet fish and sweet place. This place is so sweet, wonderful, wonderful. Looking good, mashallah, mashallah. Wow, wow, wow. This is the wonderful scenery. This is the wonderful scenery. Creature, mashallah. Playing well, beautiful. Looking good, looking good. Whoa, wonderful. Excellent, excellent. Whoa. This one, I want to watch you. This one looking good. Wow, let's go from here. Creating more. Yet, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Beautiful scenery, create here. See you next video. Allah Hafiz, tata, bye bye, take care.